Hello my friends and subscribers, how are you? I'm fine guys, and yesterday my wife had a birthday. She got a lot of gifts and flowers, and I thought that every woman can't live without flowers. Because I think that this is the main thing for the woman when someone gives her flowers. And I decided to make the special edition, the special lesson for you, how to create the beautiful compositions of flowers on nails of your clients. And at first I'm going to review my miracle 3D gel that I'm using for creating these flowers. So let's get started. But main thing guys, you should open your orders, packages, and you should work with the gel products with a closed window. I think you should protect your products from the daylight, like this. You know, guys, I'm doing tutorials and with the open window, but I have a risk. I just want you to watch these videos with a good light. That's why I have this risk. But you should be worried. You should be protected from the daylight. Remember that the UV lights and the sunlight can spoil the product. Okay guys, now I'm going to show my fantastic 3D gel products. The first one is the beautiful red color, which I will be using for creating the red nail design. Okay, the second one is green. This is the cold green color. The next one, chartreuse or the grass green, very beautiful color. The next one is neon orange color. It's beautiful and best for creating sunny flowers. And Barbie pink color. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to create the petal. For example, just create the ball with your fingers, place on the nail, and use liquid solution and press it with the brush like this. So you can see we have the petal like that. It's very easy to use, and after you place it into the LED lamp and cure. So let's watch the tutorial. So guys, let's start for sculpting nails with amazing gel product, Sculpting Mix Gel. I think that this one is one of the best products that have ever used, and I worked with this product for about 10 years. I love the consistency. Exactly, this tone is the classic Sculpting Mix Gel, and it's available to order on shapeofnail.com. The Sculpting Mix Gel is very adorable product. It has no fragrance, has no smell. It's adorable for the nail master because it never brings allergic reactions as other products like popular base products, when you shape it, you will never feel the smell of it. It's a big dignity for me. I'm using the control bit for cleaning nails in cuticles area to remove floated product, and for filing nails from underneath of the nail plate, so I'm removing the natural nail and the dirt. And this is very important when you, for example, apply the infill of gel nails. You should always use the control bit for this work. What kind of gel paint do you use, guys, in your work? For me personally, I always use the gel paint of the Giorgio Cappuccini by Shape of Nail, and this one creates miracle. Especially in this video, I'm using exactly that gel paint for creating so pure effect, white color, and I'm applying it only in one layer, and this is very good thing. The main colors that I use, these are white color and the black color. So I use both two colors, and sometimes I mix these colors with other colors of gel paint, for example, to create the pinkish tone or darker tone. So it's mixable product, so you can mix it with the other tones. You know, guys, I adore using 3D gel like this, and I think that the Shape of Nail Subcom has the most adorable price for this gel, 3D gel. I like that it has no smell. It's great pleasure for me to work with this product. So I detest working with our acrylic products because they have awful smell, but this one has no smell at all. You know, guys, I suggest you to try this amazing product because it has no smell, as I told before, and the balls are very flexible. It's very easy to play with these balls and to create balls with your fingers and play with these balls using any brush you like. For example, this one that I'm using in this video. As I told before, these products now for sale, and you can order the bulk order, and we ship these products to any country in the world, and shipping takes about 2 weeks. It's very fast to receive this product and to use. I also protect my customers, and if something happens with the package, I always send the new one on make refund, so don't worry about it. What are differences between the gel paint and the acrylic paint? The matter is that, guys, I'm using the gel paint when I draw French manicure and covering the whole nail plate with a pure color. And from the other side, I'm using the acrylic paint for small, tiny elements and for detailed paint and one-stroke flowers. You should feel and know the differences between them. You should feel the differences between them, and when you know it, you can create miracles. By the way, the acrylic paint is also available on shapeofnail.com. Exactly that acrylic paint with the silicone base, which can help us to create such tiny deco elements, so they will stay perfectly under the layer of the top coat. You know, guys, I'm using my favorite types of crystal rhinestones. They're shining perfectly. I like applying them on the clear gel by shapeofnail.com. I'm just placing 1 drop of the clear gel on the nail, and after I place rhinestones, and it sticks them perfectly, so they will never throw out from the nail. What top and base products do you use in your work? I suggest you guys to try top and base products from shapeofnail.com. I'm using them for 10 years and I'm absolutely satisfied with the result. That's why my nails
are staying for so long, and they have never have liftings, and designs never become yellowed and any other problems. And now guys, let's take a look how beautiful these nails are. This is one of my favorite nail designs, especially poppy flowers with the white color, and sometimes when we add some black elements, this nail design looks beautiful. What do you think about these nails? Please let me know down in the comments your thoughts about this nail design. And now I'm going to use amazing net top coat by Shape of Nail Top.com, and now it's for sale. It's about $16 for the big container of this top coat. The regular price is $24, so economy about $8. That's great. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye.